We have Microsoft Excel open. I'm going to just show you quickly how to find it to open it. You can type in the search area, and I'm going to type Excel, and you'll see that it populates, and I can select it if I'm using Windows 10. So what we're going to do is we've opened the Excel workbook, and like I said, you can use the search feature to find it and open it, and then do a single click to open a blank workbook. The other things that we're going to do here is we're going to enter text, undo text entries. We're going to increase the width. We're going to learn how to navigate cells, and then we're going to use the gallery of colors. So we're going to figure out how to use the gallery of colors within Excel. So if you had worked in a doctor's office and the doctor has, let's say he has a bookcase with all of these medical books, and he says, I wish I had a way to really capture and record all of the books and authors that are in this bookcase. You could say the best way to do that is to capture the data in Microsoft Excel. So for the purpose of our conversation here, we're going to say that we have a book club and we've read books, and we're just going to document the books that we've wrote. So the first thing that we want to learn is there are columns and there are rows. So within Excel, a column is defined by the alphabet A, B, C, D, and it goes on. And for this screen, we're seeing column A, B, C, D, all the way through column Q. Our cell or row 1 is cell 1, column A. So we're going to make our first entry, and we're going to call it Book Club 2017. So we have just made our first entry in column A, cell 1. Now our next entry we're going to make is name, and then we're going to go to cell B or column B, cell 2, and we're going to say author. So for the first one, the name of the book is going to be Romeo and Juliet. And we just simply press the enter key, and it takes us to column A, cell 4, and we're going to enter healing damaged emotions. And then we're going to go press enter again, go to column A, cell 5, and we're going to enter Life on the Edge. Now what I want you to observe is that actually when we entered this information, it ran over into column B, and some of it ran over into column C. So we're going to look at how do we increase the width when information runs over. But the first thing we're going to do is enter the author's name. So the author's name for Romeo and Juliet we all know is Shakespeare. For healing damaged emotions, we're entering the last name, which is Seaman, and that's column B, cell 4. And then for column B, cell 5, we're going to enter Dotson. So in order to adjust the width, we go right up here to column A, and you see I clicked on column A, and I get the double pointing arrow, and I expand the width, and it looks like I need to expand some more to get all of the wording covered for emotions, healing damaged emotions. So now we've got that one adjusted. We also need to adjust the column with Shakespeare's information so that it is all in column B without running over into column C. The next thing that we want to do is we want to, let's say that we don't need the information on Dotson. Life on the Edge. So what we're going to do is to delete it by pressing the delete key on your keyboard. Now we deleted it, but oh no, we really need to keep that book title because we are going to read that book in the book club. So we're going to come up to the top ribbon and we're going to select the undo button. The undo button, which is a shortcut. Now, after we've made all of these entries, what we want to do is we want to change the color of book club, and let's make that red. So we go to the gallery of colors and we just select red to change the font color. We can also hit the bold feature to make it bold. The last thing is we want to select each one of these and we want to make these, let's say we want to change the color to green. And that's green accent 6. So we're in Gallery of Colors and selected green accent 6. Now we've completed the colors that we wanted in our active cells. We've learned how to navigate cells simply by pressing enter if we want to go down, or we can select by clicking or selecting the cell in which we want to work in. That completes our task for the week 2 assignment. Thank you.